Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Delaney.
I'm Chip.
And today we're going to be doing our October 2-in-1s. Yay!
Get ready for the eyes
oh my god.
to burn.
I mean, our eyes will be burning today regardless.
Oh gosh. True. But I'm excited.
Yeah, I mean, it's been a minute since I've used this palette, so I'm excited. I actually am going to be using the Anastasia Prism palette. Who talks about this anymore? Nobody.
It's gone. And I'll be using the Urban Decay Elements palette. Super pretty packaging.
Beautiful packaging as always.
Gorgeous inside. Gorgeous. But yes.
It seems like a good travel palette. Very sturdy, like the shape and the structure, but not necessarily.
If I would want like all the colors.
You want shimmer all the time?
No. Let's dive into two looks. Because my eyes just...
So I'm going to take the Morphe M412. I'm going to jump in with Sphere into the crease. Eyes are already primed with Urban Decay as usual.
We're going to grab with our Sigma E45 brush. It's called Sapphire Dream. Gorgeous blue shade. The pigment, Urban Decay kills it. I'm not so like fond of what they've been coming out with recently.
What was the last Urban Decay palette you were like really excited about?
Excited before I saw it?
No,
yeah.
No, when you saw it.
Oh, when I saw it. Oh, okay, I was like, before? Yeah,
when you would actually go by. The fall 2016.
Okay, I think, yeah, the mother vault.
Okay, but I said that as a joke.
Singles, no, like the big boy singles, which was like their, what, Christmas edition years ago?
The one that Travis got you for a
gift. Oh my gosh, yeah. Could not close my mouth when I got it. Like, I was like, the whole time.
Please close
it. It was so pretty.
We're also going to take Sphere on the lower lash line, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the same brush and just knock that out.
Oh my god, this blue though.
What about the new Carly Bybel?
No. Nope.
The ABH.
Nope. I seriously thought it was ColourPop. For a hot second, I was like, oh.
I seriously thought it was a joke palette. I mean, her collab was what, with BH last? Great palette. You know, I like BH's formulas. Now she's all of a sudden with ABH. ABH is just gonna do a collab with anybody 2020. Like, just anybody.
It's a very bridal palette.
From Bybel to Bridal. I'm gonna take Dimension on the Sephora Pro 14 and just apply that to the lid.
I'm like playing with this blue because I like it. I'm like, move on, Chip. Put on a different color. This
is one of the metallic shades in the palette, so it's a little crumbly with the brush, but I'm just putting the base down. I'm gonna go in with a finger and just tap on over it.
I'm going in with the shade Fool's Gold.
I mean, I like their like satin, more shimmer finish eyeshadows. Like, I think that those are better. Their mattes are okay. You know, they're standard. Like, there's nothing that like makes me think of them.
Who's your favorite matte formula company?
That's hard. Mainstream brands, mattes. I guess it's probably gonna have to be Urban Decay. Like, my brain is so dead right now. I can only think of indie brands. My favorite indie brand is Give Me Glow. Their mattes are always beautiful, but like, you can't really mess up a matte. Like, it's the least complicated formula out there for eyeshadow, so you know, like, what about you?
I think for mattes, mainstream would be ABH. I do love their mattes. They're pigment.
I'm like using it.
Even if there's fallout, I'm still like, I don't care if there's fallout. As long as the pigment is there, I can work with fallout.
I think the reason I wouldn't have said ABH is because, like, when I think of my single mattes, like, if I'm just, like, thinking of a color that I need, I don't draw to ABH. I'm like, oh, I'm just going to go to a single matte that I have, like, in a pan.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So, I'm tripped up. But I do like their mattes.
Yeah,
we're going to jump into the last shade, Osiris. God, there's so much fallout on my face. We're going to put that in the outer corner.
We're going to do, we'll do Electric Air.
What about your favorite, like, shimmer? Not metallic, but shimmer.
I don't know, maybe I'll answer that in the 6th video. I'll need time to think about it.
Oh my god. It'd probably be Urban Decay's satin formulas that are not really like a full-on shimmer, not really a metallic, but the single shades, that kind of formula. Which, I mean, I don't really know. I think that the ones in here are a little bit more metallic-y. So
we're gonna do the ColourPop numero uno.
I'm also gonna be taking ColourPop with the cream gel liner in Electric Daisy. It's a nice bright green. Testing out a new mascara today for all of the 2-in-1s for me. This is the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. I love Hourglass, so.
And then mascara, Tarte Big Ego.
We're gonna use the Baby Bat Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Dauntless. You guys have seen me use this a couple of times, but it just complements this look, okay?
Okay, so I'm just following the exact same like colors that I used at the top, and I'm going to bring them down to the bottom of the eye. Okay, so for lips, I went in with the Too Faced Melted Metallic Lipstick, and it's called the Real Teal. All right, so look number 1 is done.
Let's go ahead and do close-ups.
Yeah.
Look number 2. Here we go. Yes. This one, like I like it, but the layout makes me not want to use it.
Oh.
I don't know why.
We're gonna go in with Earthbound. Put Earthbound all over the lid for right now.
I'm gonna use Unity. I'm just cacking off the excess that I picked up too much. Unity is a neutrally colored. It's going in the crease with the Morphe M412.
It's nice to have a palette that you're like, you don't have to think about. Because some palettes, I have to be like, okay, I need a white base.
Like this one.
But this one, it's just like, concealer. Okay, I'm good to go. I can just start.
For Pro 14, if I can find it. And then we're gonna jump into Eternal. It's like a bronze metallic. Again, just doing a base with it. I'm gonna go in with a finger afterwards. When you got that palette, obviously it was a gift, as you said earlier. I think probably off camera. Was it an Urban Decay palette that you were like planning to get?
Oh yeah.
Or just one of those ones you were like, oh, that's cool if it's a gift?
Oh no, yeah. So this I got through a makeup swap with Caitlin from CPF Fashion Cosmetics. And we did like a Christmas in November video. So I got her makeup, she got me makeup. And we didn't tell each other what we wanted, essentially, which I thought was really cool because then we kind of just got to shop freely for the other person. And so when I saw this was on my Christmas list. I saw this and I was like, holy mother of pearl. So
I would say like a great beginner palette if you're just starting with like
Urban Decay,
because it gives you a wide range of their colors.
A bit of everything.
And I feel that Urban Decay, in comparison to like mainstream brands, you can really kind of see different colors in them. Like they don't just do a green, they do like yellow green or something like that. Like they do like those middle colors that you don't really see. I'm gonna take the Morphe M149 and go in with Obsidian, which is a matte black, and I have to be very careful with. We're just placing this in the outer corner and like a little wing.
Secret Keeper, and I'm just putting that above the other green, kind of blending it out.
I'm gonna go back in with Unity and just kind of blend out Obsidian.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with Elemental, which is a matte shade. So let's go crazy. Let's go with a gold liner. So this is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On in Gold Mine.
Eyeliner, we're just gonna use the ColourPop Cream Gel in Swerve. Just put that in the lower lash line.
Mascara, we're doing the Tarte Big Ego.
Gonna use some more of this Hourglass. It's like thick.
And then for lips, we're gonna do the Too Faced Melted Matte in Wicked.
I'm gonna finally use for the second time at Black Moon Cosmetics Armageddon liquid lipstick.
Done. Ooh, I like the lip. Is that like a shift to it?
It's a metallic, so like it has the shine.
Yeah, it's like purple, pink, red.
It's so pretty.
Love. All right, look number 2 is done. I like.
It looks like you put on my lip from the last one.
Yeah.
But it was good. It's a good color for you.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and jump into some close-ups. Video today, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already to a Sugar and Spice _makeup. But follow us on our social media. It's all that same name. We also have our Facebook page as well, and we would love to have you as part of our Sugar and Spicy family. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!